How to upload digital products to Gumroad. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can upload digital products to Gumroad. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up a browser, head towards gumroad.com and make sure that you're logged in. If not, create an account and make sure to log in. Now to sell or upload your digital product, scroll down a bit and here it says create your first product. Click on it. Now you'll be taken into this page. First of all, type in the name of your product that you want to upload. For example, I want to upload a logo for the cafe, but I'll just type in logo. So that will be the name of my digital product. Under that, you have to select digital product. Once you are done with that, now you have to add a price for your product. If you want to change your currency, click on this drop down and here you can change the currency. So enter the price for your product. Once you're done with that, swipe up or scroll up and then click on next. And here you will be taken in this piece. Here you have to again enter the description for your product. Describe your product. You could also add a link. If you have any URL, that you could simply add your link here. Under that, there is an option as cover where you could upload your images or videos. So from here, click on upload images or videos. If you have a computer or if you have your file saved on computer, click on computer files, then save the logo that you would like to share. Once you're done with that, you could also add a thumbnail and add a product info as well. Click on this drop down and here you can customize this section as well. Once you're done, you can also add details too. So this will be your preview. After that, head towards the next section, that is content, and here you can add the content that you want to sell. You could also upload your files or start typing. If you want to upload files, click on this upload files button, then you could also upload the files. So once you're done with all of this steps by adding your product description, URL, cover, uploading pictures and see your review and also adding the content, all you have to do is click on publish and continue. After that, your digital product will be uploaded in your Gumroad. Then you could simply view the preview as well. So that's it. That's how you upload digital product on Gumroad, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.